Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Outlaws, Scarlet and Brown. Scarlet McCain is a shoot-first, ask-questions-later kind of outlaw. She scrapes by on bank heists, her wits, and never looking back. She's on the run from her latest crime when she comes across Albert Brown. He's the sole survivor of a horrific accident, and against her better judgment, Scarlet agrees to guide him to safety. This is a mistake. Soon there are men with dogs and guns and explosives hot on their heels. Scarlet's used to being chased by the law, but this is extreme. It was only a little bank she'd robbed. As they flee together across the wilds, fighting off monstrous beasts and dodging their pursuers, Scarlet comes to realize that Albert Brown is hiding a terrible secret, and that he may be the most dangerous threat of all. In this fast-paced, quick-witted whirlwind of a story, 2 unlikely allies, the outlaws Scarlet and Brown, are about to become the most notorious renegades in all that's left of Britain. This book is kicking off a new series with a bang and is going to be made into a movie. The next book is The Thing I'm Most Afraid of. Most 12-year-olds would be excited to fly to Austria to see their dad for the summer, but then Becca is not like most 12-year-olds. Suffering from severe anxiety, she fears that the metal detectors at the airport will give her cancer, and the long international flight will leave her with blood clots. Luckily, she's packed her doomsday journal, the one thing that always seems to help. By writing down her fears and what to do if the worst happens, Becca can get by without many panic attacks. Routines and plans help Becca cope, but living in a new country is full of the unexpected, including Becca's companions for the summer, like Felix, the short and bookish son of her dad's new girlfriend, or Sarah, the 19-year-old refugee tasked with watching the 2 of them for the summer. As Becca explores Austria and becomes close to her new friends, she soon learns she's not alone in her fears. What matters most is what you do when faced with them. This is one fantastic book written by a talented historical fiction author. You don't want to miss it. The last book I will tell you about is From the Desk of Zoe Washington. Zoe Washington isn't sure what to write. What does a girl say to a father she's never met or heard from? What does she say to a father who finally sent her a letter on her 12th birthday? What can she say to a father who's been in prison for a terrible crime? A crime he says he never committed. Could her dad really be innocent? Zoe's determined to uncover the truth, even if it means hiding his letters and her investigation from the rest of her family. Everyone else thinks Zoe's worrying about doing a good job at her bakery internship and proving to her parents that she's worthy of auditioning for the Kids Bake Challenge. But with bakery confections in one part of her mind and her dad's conviction weighing heavily on the other, this is one recipe Zoe doesn't know how to balance. The only thing she knows to be true is that everyone lies. And so begins Zoe's journey learning about inequality in the criminal justice system and setting out to find the witness who can prove her father's innocence. This is one captivating story full of heart as Zoe questions assumptions, searches for the truth, and does what she believes is right. This is one of our Young Hoosier books from this year. I truly loved this story, and I know you will too. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day!